In this tutorial, I will show you hand tool and rotate tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. This is hand tool, which keyboard shortcut is H. So this is hand tool, pans over different parts of an image. Hands tool pans, it spans different part of the image. You can see I am easily moving the canvas from as I wish. This is hand tool. It will pick that point and move the canvas according to moving the cursor based on this. If I am going here, if I press Ctrl plus 0 from keyboard, it will fit again in the screen. However, if you can see now I am move tool. If I hold down space from the keyboard, then immediately it will convert to, if I access any tool, I am in any tool, if I hold down space, then I can easily move my canvas using hand tool. If this tool temporarily transform to hand tool. So I would like to show another tool. This is rotate view tool, which keyboard shortcut is R. So this is rotate view tool. Rotate view tool rotates the view of an image. Very straightforward tool. It rotates the view of an image. If I hold down shift, it will rotate with constantly. It's 45 degree constant. It will rotate in the canvas. Or if you move freely, then hold down shift, it will immediately fit with the constantly or proportionally. So in this way you can rotate your canvas. As if you work with complex images, you should need to rotate your canvas to manipulate different parts of the image. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.